In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a new version of a file in Google Drive while ensuring that the share link remains the same. This is a handy tip if you frequently update documents but want to avoid the hassle of sending a new link each time. So, whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply updating your personal files, you'll find this process seamless and efficient. Let's start with Google Drive in your web browser. First, you'll want to locate the file whose version you want to update. This file should already have a share link that you intend to keep. Take a moment to find it in your drive. You might need to use the search bar if you have a large number of files. Once you find the file, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up, offering you several options. From this menu, select Manage Versions. This is the key option that allows you to update the file without altering the share link that others may already be using. You'll then be directed to the Manage Versions dialog. Here, you'll see past versions of the file listed, and at the top, you should see an option to Upload New Version. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to select the new version of the file from your computer. Navigate through your folders to locate this new version, click on it, and then hit either Open or Upload, depending on what your system displays. As the new file uploads, it replaces the current version but remains under the same file entry. This means that while you're updating the content of the file itself, the underlying link remains consistent. No need to redistribute links to your collaborators or worry about any disruption in their access to the document. Once the upload is complete, you can rest assured that the original link remains unchanged. Anyone using that link will now automatically see the updated document. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're coordinating with multiple team members or stakeholders who depend on uninterrupted, consistent access to your files. So, that's it. You've successfully updated the file while maintaining the original share link, saving yourself and others time and effort. Remember, this process helps streamline collaboration and revision cycles by keeping document access straightforward and uninterrupted. It's an essential trick for anyone looking to boost their efficiency when managing shared documents on Google Drive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made your file management just a little bit easier. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you might have below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more useful tutorials.